Nasa Sulu na tayo, guys. Just arrived sa port at exactly 6:15 a.m. So delayed of 15 minutes yung ating arrival sa Sulu. However, it's good weather. Walang sunrise. Ma'am Anamay, Ma'am Katyang. It's official. Welcome back to Sulu. For my second time here. Ayan. Welcome back to Sulu. So after this is our guide is already outside the port. So susundin agad tayo ng ating tour operator, which is the Zane Travel and Tours. So DIY in Sulu is still not allowed, guys. So you have to communicate with the city tourism of Sulu. Ma'am Anama, how do you find Sulu?
Very amazing to me. It's my first time. So excited.
Yeah, they are so much excited. Well, Sulu is really giving compared to Tawi-Tawi as part of my experience. Since it's my second time here in Sulu. Ayan na si Zane, yung ating van for today's video. Ma'am Katyang, thank you. Guys, yung accommodation namin is tinawag na Sulu Peacekeepers. Yan. Diyan kami mag-stay sa Sulu Peacekeeper, guys. And it is in the compound of police station, guys. Nasa compound siya ng police. So, talagang safe na safe yung area ng ating pagtutulugan dito sa Sulu. Guys, sa Sulu Peacekeepers na tayo. And in our room, there are 4 packs. So way better than our accommodation in Tawi-Tawi. 14 packs in a room. So di tayo mag-overcrowd sa CR. Rob, how do you find Sulu?
Nice.
How do you find Sulu?
Wala pa na ako na-explore
wala pa.
Napalanta sa concentration
Amazing
camp.
kayo ang accommodation kay accommodation na nakalagi sa compound sa mga police. No, so you are really feel safe. What's more safer than this?
Okay, na sila din na sa feeling.
Ayun na may mga police sa gilid. Oh, manali ka picture dira agas. Mga beta bill kay A.
Guardiado tayo.
So naghulat na niyo, we are waiting for our ride. Pag-breakfast muna tayo. After this, start na ang ating town tour. So yung ating itinerary today is town tour. Tsaka bibisitahan natin yung one of the best public beach here in Sulu, sa Parang. Sa Parang, yeah. Ayan guys, dito na tayo mag-breakfast. Alright guys, here in Sulu. Oh, so yung food is isa-serve nila in front of you. Tapos kuha ka lang dyan kung ano gusto mo kukunin. Then declared mo later. Oh, ano yung mga kinuha mo gamit. Ito yung culture dito sa Sulu. After namin nag-breakfast, guys, is for town tour agad. So yung first stop is itong Masjid Dulay. Ayan. It's temporarily closed for renovation. Closed. Yes. Dito kami nagpa-picture last November with the Bagsambasul squad. Hindi kasali si Jassy doon that time. After natin guys, ng Masjid Tulay, so dito dito tayo sa mga souvenir shop. Simply Joy Souvenir Shop. This is the same exact souvenir shop that we had during we visited here. We're here at the provincial capital of the Sulu. Besh, memories bring back?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ayan. So, nandiyan na yung Sulu signage. I love Sulu. We've been there than that. Provincial capital. So, pamasok kami dyan the last time that we were here. That's it, guys. The Sulu Provincial Capital. So, kasama ito sa itinerary for the town tour. So, tapos actually last time we were here, pumasok kami dyan sa loob, guys. Ayan. Nandito kami. So lahat ng mga tourist activities dito sa Sulu, guys, dito talaga dapat makipag-coordinate sa Sulu Provincial Capital. Ayan. Guys, katabi ng Sulu Provincial Capital is may museum dito. National Museum Sulu. Hindi natin ito puntahan last time. So, papasok tayo sa museum ng Sulu.
Welcome to National Museum of the Philippines. Dito ako sa Susod Live. May mga house rules lang po tayo. Yung mga big bags, kailangan po natin i-deposit. Tanggalin nyo lang po yung mga valuables. Pwede mag-picture, wag lang gumamit ng flash.
Meron tayong guide guys, no? Perfect. Na mag-discuss everything.
Ito po is sa mga badyaw. Ang badyaw po kasi sila mga gypsies. So ang thinking nila hanggat may dagat, pwede sila. Okay. Yan. So bakit may mga bubong? So gamit din po nila ito as bahay na din. So yung mga deck po, natatanggal po yan. Diyan po nila nilalagay yung mga gamit nila. Pero before kasi walang pang mga pintura-pintura. Pero hindi pwedeng simple lang. So ang mga tausog, kailangan artist. So meron po kaming ukir, yung wood carving. And then, ang unique dito kasi ang gamit nila dual pins. Wala pa silang gamit na mga pako. So, ito po ang aming Pearlize Philippines. Gawa po ng Pearlize
Ano very nice?
brand. Brand. Company. Pearlize Philippines. Company. Sila yung nag-design.
Ah,
Yeah. So, tawag nila Pearlize na. Yes po. So, alam ko represent niya. Ang Sulu, mayaman ang aming karagatan. So, number 1 product is the pearl. So, yung mga places po niyan is gawa sa powderized pearl. And then, ang backdrop po niya is the capiz. So, nasaan ang Sulu? Dito po yan. So, yung taga Davao, ito. Basilan, Tawi-Tawi.
Batangas.
So, ito naman ang Holo Town during the Spaniards. So, ang Holo Town proper, na-conquered at controlled po talaga ng Spaniards. Pero yung mga bulubunduking mga municipalities kung saan nagtago ang mga Sulu warriors, hindi. So, ang ginagawa ng mga tausug, lumalaban talaga, resistant. Kaya ang ginawa ng mga Spaniards, nagpatayo sila ng wall pang-defense. Kaya tinatawag na intramuros din. So,
Guys, after namin sa museum is we are now here at the barter area. This is where the barteran happens. Hey, baka may mabili kami na ano. Dito tayo.
Ano ka daw?
Wow.
Dito tayo.
I-follow po natin si Kuya Mark. Si Kuya Mark po yung ating tour guide. Mag-hi ka naman, Kuya. Under Zane Tours. Pina na ang malong ting. 50.
Tapos 650. 650. Saan mo yung 650? Ito yung pinakamalaki. Sa laki.
Ayun na tayo dito guys. Big 100 na malong. 100 din ba ito?
yan, 100 sir. Ha?
Okay, so isang piraso 100 yan siya guys. So 10 yung bibilhin natin. Tapos na kami sa barter guys. Actually wala talaga sa plano yung item. Sa itinerary namin yung barter. Pero amin na lang siyang tinawad na magpuntahan para mabili na pasalubong sa barter area guys. Dito kami sa I Love Wood Tattoo. Ah, besh! So, we've been here already for the last year. So, it has a good view sa town of Hulu. So after namin dun sa Budato guys, is dito na kami ngayon sa Parang Sulu. And then, malapit na yung meters away na lang yung Mangsali at saka Tando. But before that, dito muna tayo, magla-lunch kami dito sa Alanos Grill. Ayan. Dito kami magla-lunch guys. Way back when we were here last year, dito din kami nag-order ng food. Hinatid lang doon sa aming resort. So after namin nag-lunch is we're now here at the Tando Beach. So yung Mangsali pupuntahan na natin mamaya. Katabi lang talaga siya guys. Ayun. Ganun pa rin yung beauty ng Tando Beach when we were here last year. Oh my gosh. Malinaw pa rin yung tubig. Perfect picture, perfect pa rin siya. Diyan yung perfect spot for pictorials. Yan, ang ganda talaga ng dagat. Ay, that is the perfect spot for picture taking. And dyan yung I Love Tando Beach. Ate Hassel! Aba! Okay, so it's already sunset guys. Yeah, ito yung sunset sa Mangsali. Guys, this is the sunset here in Mangsali, tsaka in Taluya Beach. It's really nice to admire the beauty of God's creation. Sunset in Sulu. It's officially day 2 already of our Sulu trip, and for today is another full activity na naman ang ating gagawin. And today also is our last day here in Sulu, and probably we will be doing also one of the best thing to do here in Sulu, which is the island hopping. But prior to that guys, I will be showing to you the hotel or the inn that we have stayed here in Sulu. Yes, ito yung Sulu Peacekeepers Inn. So ito yung bed na binigay sa amin guys. That is 2 double bed size, and it can occupy up to 4 packs. Yan. So they have air condition. Then they have small wardrobe here. May TV sila. May half size body mirror. And of course yung CR nila guys is just enough for you to enough lang siya na space para maligo at saka magbihis. The good thing of this inn guys is nasa gitna siya ng compound ng police station ng Sulu. So you are really feel safe staying here. To give you a heads up, there are only 2 accommodations here in Sulu na nag-a-accept ng tourists. And one of those is the Sulu Peacekeepers Inn. Ito yung room rate ng Peacekeepers Inn. Pinakamura nila guys is 950. Good for 1 single bed lang siya with keyboard. Wala pang breakfast no? Wala pang breakfast guys. Sa Peacekeepers Inn guys, hindi pwedeng DIY. So you need to arrange with the tourism. So sila na yung magbubook sa inyo sa accommodation. So yan, kick off na tayo sa ating island hopping for today. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa parang mosque again. On our way to the kick off of our island hopping sa Sani-Sani. So may nakita kaming mosque. So, we stop over at saka nagpa-picture. It's the mosque. Ayan guys, so yung name pala ng mosque na ito is Hadja Siti Raya Mosque. Ayan. So, ang may-ari nito is yung politician there in this area. Tapos yung name mo is lalagyan doon ng Hadja. Ayan. Sorry. Pag ikaw mawibis pa is nakapunta na ng Mecca sa Saudi Arabia. So after this is we'll head to Sani-Sani Beach. From the mainland of Hulu is by biyahe pa na bangka na 30 minutes. After 40 minutes guys, 30 minutes of roller coaster ride. So andito na kami ngayon sa docking area papunta ng Sani-Sani Beach. Yung boat natin is the same pa rin, walang katig. Yung boat ride galing dito papunta ng Sani-Sani Beach is 30 minutes pa daw siya guys. 30 minutes. So malapit lang. Unlike sa Tawi-Tawi na umabot ng 2 oras. Sani and the flash. Oh my god. Sani guys. Shit. Ang ganda. Yes, we have finally reached Sani Beach. Ang ganda niya guys. Oh my god, it's really worth it. Oh holy. Ang ganda ng Sani. Oh. At Sani Beach. they are making the lunch already. This will be a big budol fight. It's almost lunchtime. Let us check the budol fight. Wow. This is cute.
Sabi ng tita ko yan. Pray over that.
Wala pa yung chicken.
Guys, bye Sunny Sunny Beach. Yeah. We'll head now to the next destination. Tapos naman, bye Sunny Sunny! Ajasi! Bye Sunny Sunny Beach. Arrive at Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation. After 30 minutes of boat ride from Sunny, we have arrived at Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation. Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation. And guys, this is the Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation. 30 minutes boat ride from Sunny Beach. Looks like Kapurpurawan in Ilocos, but color ano lang siya, golden yellow. In Kapurpurawan kasi it's white. In Ilocos, tignan mo guys, may part pala doon na akyat oh. Hala. Pa, it's not for the fainted heart. Yan guys. Ito yung makikita mo pag umakyat ka dito banda sa may likuran ng rock formation. Ganda pa sa likod oh. Yeah, wow. Dito guys, maganda pa siya. Guys, so ito na yung last spot natin sa Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation bago tayo babalik sa port ng Sulpolu. So maganda doon banda sa may likuran guys, I swear. Medyo nasa may alam ko na sugaran ako pero it's worth it. Okay, disembark. Guys, we're back at the port. So yung naging ruta lang namin is from the port there. Parang umikot lang siya doon. Sa likod yung Sunny. Tapos doon yung rock formation. Then, ngayon is balik na kami ng van. Totality, yung island hopping is just only 2 destinations na yung pinuntahan natin. Sunny Beach at saka yung Tandang Mariamaran Rock Formation. And yung kanina para sa mosque, yung first stop natin. And I don't know if may pupuntahan pa tayo. Sabi kasi may pupuntahan pa tayo na heart shape na lake. I'm not sure it's still possible. So magpifix na tayo kasi later at 9 PM is magpe-ferry na naman tayo back to Zamboanga. Di ba Ma'am Anamay? We're at the Sea Lake. Ito yung lake na heart shape. Ito na Sea Lake. This is the lake guys na nakikita mo sa babaw. Yung heart shape. Hi, si Zane. I'm ang tour guide. I'm ang operator. That's it guys. Heart shape lake. Mas ma-appreciate dito if you will be flying a drone. Kaso nga lang maulan guys, pwede tayo mag-risk na mag-fly ng drone. Yun yung parang heart shape doon. Ay, oo, heart shape. Don't forget the heart. Guys, you can go downstairs after here. May hagdanan dito. Going all the way there. Pabilis na ako pababa. Paakyat ang mahirap. Oh, may ahas! Sa hanap mo! Guys, yung area ng Siid Lake, sa ano pala siya, within the compound of army camp. Yeah, so may mga army dito na namamahay. Yeah. So right after this is, nabalita kami sa town para mag-fix, tapos mag-ready na rin for our departure going to Zamboanga. Mag-rororo naman po tayo at 9 p.m. tonight. We are now back at our hostel. So kanina guys, after natin sa last destination which is yun sa lake, is nagpusid agad tayo dito sa hotel para mag-fix at saka maligo para sa ating departure ngayon sa papunta na balik na ng Zamboanga. So our ferry ride today will be at 9 p.m. pa rin via Montenegro Lines. Then everything, our ticket is already arranged by our tour operator, si Ma'am Zane. Final thoughts with our trip here in Sulu and Tawi-Tawi. One thing that we have realized guys, all of the news that you have heard before about Tawi-Tawi and Sulu, ngayon is hindi nyo na makikita yung ganong klase na pangyayari dito sa Tawi-Tawi and Sulu. Let us break the stigma guys. No? Sa Sulu and Tawi-Tawi are generally safe. Hindi ako magpapabalik-balik dito sa Sulu guys kung hindi maganda ang lugar na ito. Yan. So we booked with, for the entire trip namin guys dito sa aming Sulta, which is Sulu and Tawi-Tawi, we booked the tour to Zane Travel PH. So sa kanya kami nag-book kasi para less hassle na yung aming aming trip dito sa Sulu and Tawi-Tawi. But the tour package guys will cost you 9,999. That includes tours in Tawi-Tawi, accommodation, and some of the meals mentioned sa kanyang itinerary. And at the same time, dito sa Sulu, tours, van, tapos entrances, cottages, and some of the meals mentioned sa itinerary. So, convenient for me guys no, sa amin na mag-tour package na lang compared sa mag-DIY. But however, you can DIY, you can purely DIY Tawi-Tawi guys. Because Tawi-Tawi can be DIY. But here in Sulu, hindi pa pwede pa rin yung DIY. So, you need to communicate with the Sulu Tourism Province if you want to go here in Sulu. So, para wala ng hassle, everything will be arranged. So, nag-book na kami ng tour package kay Zane Travel PH. Highly recommended, guys. Grabe yung budol fight namin sa Sulu, sa Sani-Sani kanina. That was something and amazing. Grabe si Zane. Napaka hands-on talaga when it comes to tours. So, sinamahan na pa kami sa entirety ng tour namin dito sa Sulu. Hanggang sa pagbalik sa Zamboanga. That's it for our video for Sulu and Tawi-Tawi trip. No, so I hope you had fun and you learned something from this video. Let's break the stigma guys. No? Sulu and Tawi-Tawi are totally safe 100%. So see you again sa ating travel video no? As we travel again into another province next month. So abangan nyo ang ating susunod na travel vlog. That's all for today. See you again and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!